Hi everybody. So we're continuing to work on the side arms of the upper canopy. Okay, so good morning. It's Wednesday, March 25th, uh, week 2 of the apocalypse. I'm your host, sitting at home drinking all the good wine. So yeah, I have made a conscious decision. I'm going to be nicer about this whole thing and not try to be such a moody turd. So hey, uh, I've always looked forward, I'd always been looking forward to witnessing the end of the world, so I guess this is going to be an adventure. May you live in interesting times. So, there you go. That's my whole message for all of that. Anyway, so putting on these side arms. Let's talk about those, or the side arms of the canopy. You've got a big piece that is curved and is for the bottom, and that's kind of pre-made, and you've got the side piece. So you've got two pieces on the side, like I've said before. There's going to be two pieces that kind of sandwich in the canopy, big acrylic canopy, right? So what we got to do is we got to go ahead and we've got to do all the countersinking for everything. We've got to go ahead and get everything prepped. We're not going to actually put that outer skin on yet, right? Because you're not ready for it yet, but you're going to be. So you got to prep the whole thing because once it's, once this thing is riveted on, it's go time. So there's only one chance to do it at the end, and that's what we're doing. So we're prepping it all as though we're going to rivet it in and then leave it alone. Look at all those glycos. And again, of course, everything that you're seeing me do for the left side, you're going to do for the right. There's nothing really special. The only real special thing will be once all of this is on, of course, like I've said several times over the years, Vans' kit, it's seamless. Just making sure it fits just that, perfect, within 1/32 of an inch. It'll take a little tweaking, but that's okay. We'll get to that later. So yeah, as I've said last week, I'm going to be putting out 4 videos a week now. Since I'm getting so much extra time to work on stuff, I'm actually collecting more video time to put up. Anyway, 2 on Wednesday, 2 on Saturday, or Sunday, whichever days, however I feel like doing it. Starting with 2 today, so let me get to some questions. Here's Paul, says, fuck, it's Tuesday. Here's a question. Looking back in your build, what order would you do it? Empennage, wings, fuselage, forward, avionics, engine, or does it matter? Well, you can't really do the finishing kit until you've got the fuselage done. And so the fuselage mates with the back half. No, that's a good question. I don't know the right answer. I would love, if I had to do it all over again. Nope, do it exact same way. Empennage, wings, fuselage, finishing kit. Though, had I known there was going to have been a global pandemic, I would have made a few changes. I'd put a couple of bomb holders on the wings because I'm pretty sure we're gonna have to. No, I'm just kidding. No, I'm just kidding. No, I would have just ordered some stuff earlier. So I've got some stuff on order that's on back order. There's a lead time, so like seats. I wasn't supposed to get the seats till July. Who knows when I'm gonna get them now. I just got to get. I'm waiting to see how all of this sort of plays out here in the Bay Area. I mean, everything's fine, but I'm switching jobs. I've got a sweet new job. I'll tell everyone about it later. I'll tell you about it in a couple of weeks after I'm secure. But once I know that everything's on the up and up and everything's going to be okay, then I'll go ahead and put a deposit on an engine because that's 18 grand. It's one hell of a deposit. So anyway, yeah, I'm going to continue to work on this. I will continue to expand on Paul's question in the next video. So see you soon.